you walk into a room and without saying a word, everyone stop, notice you, listen when you speak. Sound powerful, right? That's the kind of presence Thomas Shelby command in Peaky Blender. But here is the kicker: you don't need to be a leader of a gang or wear three-piece suit to have this kind of influence. In today's video, we are breaking down Thomas Shelby's silent power, his unshakable confidence, and how you can use his mindset to transform your life. And stick around because at the end I will share a bonus tip that will completely shift the way how you approach challenges. Let's dive in. Step number 1: the power of silence. Have you ever noticed that Thomas Shelby does not need to shout to make his point? Silence is his weapon and it can be yours too. Why it's work? Silence create mystery and make people lean in to listen. When you are constantly talking, your word hold more weight. What to do? Practice being silent in moment of conflict or decision making. Instead of rushing to respond, pause, think, and then speak with intention.
Ashley! Look at me!
What not to do? Don't confuse silence with passivity. Thomas Shelby silent is not about being shy, it's about being calculated. Step number 2: build an aura of confidence. Thomas Shelby does not just walk, he commands every step. Confidence is not about something you feel, it's about something others sees. What to do? Stand tall, make eye contact, and keep your movements deliberate. Confidence starts with your posture and your mindset. What not to do? Don't overcompensate by acting loud or overly assertive. True confidence is calm and understand, just like Thomas. Friendly tip: try this next time you enter a room. Walk slowly, look around and smile slightly. Notice how the energy shifts. And here is the step number 3: stay calm and chaos. Chaos surrounds Thomas Shelby, whether it's a bar fight, family drama, or high-stake negotiation. But what makes him stand out? He never lost his cool. What to do when the life throws curveball? Take a deep breath and ground yourself. Shelby calmness under pressure is not natural; it's practiced. What not to do? Don't let stress control your action. Reacting emotionally can cloud your judgment. Stay calm, and you will see the solution more clearly. I remember a time when everything in my life left out of control. I started practicing deep breathing during those moments, and guess what? It worked. Try it. You will be surprised how much clarity it brings. Step number 4: plan your moves like a mastermind. Thomas Shelby never walked into a situation underprepared. His plans are like chess moves, strategic and always few steps ahead. What to do? Start planning your day the night before. Write down your goal and anticipate obstacle. This habit alone can make you feel like a boss. What not to do? Don't let life happen to you. Take control by being proactive, not reactive. Step number 5: earn respect through action. Thomas Shelby does not demand respect, he earns it through his action. In your life, respect comes from consistency and integrity. What to do? Follow through on your promise even when it's inconvenient. People notice when you are reliable. What not to do? Don't try to fake it. Authentically is what earns real respect. Friendly tips: start small, keep a promise to yourself today, whether it's hitting to a gym or finishing that task you've been avoiding. Show yourself you are reliable. Step number 6: master emotional control. One of Shelby's greatest strengths is his ability to control his emotion even in the most intensive situation. What to do? Practice identifying your emotion before they take over. Ask yourself, why am I feeling this? Awareness is the first step to control. What not to do? Don't suppress your emotion completely. Process them, but don't let them dictate your decision. I used to let anger get the best of me, argument, but once I started pausing before speaking, everything changed. Give it a shot, it's a game changer. Here is the step number 7: turn pain into power. Thomas Shelby carries a lot of pain, losses, bitterly, and the scare of war, but he does not let it weaken him. Instead, he uses it to fuel his ambition. What to do? Reflect on your struggle and think about it, how they are making me strong. Use these lessons as a motivation to push forward. What not to do? Don't let pain hold you back. Every setback is the setup for the comeback. And here is the bonus tip: cultivate a strong inner circle. Here is your bonus tip: surround yourself with people who lift you up, just like Thomas Shelby does in Peaky Blinders. What to do: build a circle of friends and mentors who change you and inspire you. These are the people who will help you to level up. What not to do: don't keep toxic people in your life out of obligation. Protect your energy and your vision. Friendly tip: take 5 minutes today to evaluate your inner circle. Are these people helping you or holding you back? So there you have it, 7 powerful lessons from Thomas Shelby that can transform your body, mindset and influence. Remember, being like Shelby is not about being perfect. It's about staying calm, thinking ahead and showing up as your best every day. Until next time, stay focused and remember, real power is silent. If you want to master your discipline like David Goggins, check out this video and I will meet you on there. Okay, bye.